Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing behind the scenes of how I make content on my Instagram page. This is just how I do it sometimes because I have a very busy lifestyle and I need to get things in order and in check. So sometimes I do batch recording. So it's when I have like a so-called content day where I've already pre-planned some ideas of what type of content I'm going to do, especially if I'm doing campaigns as well. I do plan in advance, and when I'm doing it I think, why don't I just add a couple more to it so that throughout the week I've got some content to share. Most of the times I do kind of think on the spot. Sometimes 6 o'clock in the morning when I've woken up I'm like, oh, I'm going to post this today, and I'll literally make a video in like couple of minutes. So yeah, I'm so used to it now, so it's not that hard. But if you did want to do it and sometimes you're struggling with ideas, you can do like a batch research, I would say. So you kind of go onto Instagram, flick through, get some inspiration, save some of the trending songs because they are really good as well. I wouldn't say copy, like it's always good to be original, but it's always good to get some inspiration, some ideas of what's trending, what's going out there, especially within your niche as well, but make it unique to yourself and your content. So that's what I do. So I'm going to show you, I've got a campaign, so I'm going to do like a before and after kind of thing. This one I haven't thought about it too much, but I've had an idea. And yeah, you also see that I get change as well. And I'll talk about that in a minute. So let's go downstairs and I'll show you. It's really annoying as well because it's winter, and here's the little one. Say hi. She's there in the background having the best time. But yeah, it's really annoying because it's winter, so the lighting is not great. It's not favourable for me at all. But if I wait for sunshine, I'm going to be waiting for a long time, so I just have to get on with it. I don't really use artificial light. I prefer sunlight because it just helps, especially with my iPhone, with the quality. But yeah, it is slightly annoying. I'm actually standing beneath some soft light at the moment, so I wonder how this is going to turn out. But yeah, we just have to get on with it. But yeah, let me show you in the living room. So these are the boxes. I haven't even opened up yet, so I'll do that in a minute. Of the new dining chairs I have from the amazing Rocket St. George. Going to living room. Can you see the mess? This is the mess. So you don't even see this behind the scenes. Like, you see the content and you think, wow. But behind the scenes, there's organised mess from a little toddler. So I've done a table setup, very simple. This is how my table is at the moment. This content may take a while because the dining chairs I have some accent blacks in it, and I want to spray paint the legs black because I haven't thought about what dining chair I want as yet. How beautiful is that vase, by the way? Look at this beautiful vase. And there is a story behind it. That's why there's a crack. If you are on my Instagram page, you will know what happened that day. But yeah, here it is in its full glory. So yeah, I will show you the clip of what I did, showcasing this and what I was wearing. So I intentionally wore black to kind of go with the accents in my background. So yeah, so that's that one. The lighting is really not giving. Like, it's so dark today. I might even do this content again because I just don't like the lighting. And as I said, I personally don't really like artificial lights. It just looks too bright and just too fake. So I always do my filming during the day. I know some people do it during the evening. In fact, I might do some YouTube sit down videos in the evening. But yeah, when it comes to Instagram, I love it to just be day and bright. It just puts me in the mood. Look at the baby in the background. And this is another thing, it does take a while because I can't ignore her. I have to tend to her needs, so yeah. Playing with her, feeding her, doing all these things, and then in my working around that, trying to do some content, and I'm not spending the whole day doing this as well because it has to be fun, it has to be enjoyable, it's not a chore. So yeah, the next one I want to do now is a little kitchen reel, less than 10 seconds. Like, the lesser it is, the more captivating it is, and the more Instagram likes it as well. So just something very quick and simple, doesn't have to be complicated. So I'm going to get changed because I was wearing black, and for my next shoot I kind of want to go with my surroundings. This is what I usually do. Yeah. And this content is something more relaxed, me in my house as general and just doing things. So now I've changed into a more comfortable outfit and an outfit that goes with my surrounding. It's beige, it's neutral, it's relaxing. And that's the kind of vibe I'm trying to give. When people are watching, I want them to feel chilled, relaxed, homely, invited into the space that I'm really trying to convey, which is just that. So this is why I'm wearing this outfit. This is something I usually would wear at home. Let me just show you. This is just a t-shirt with some shorts. So we're gonna do some kitchen content right now. So now I'm just like, got a baby bottle in my hand. I'm just cleaning up, making sure the surroundings are somewhat clean and tidy, because with Instagram, literally, for me anyway, I can see every detail. It doesn't have to be meticulous, but you don't want things in the background that's just gonna mess up the whole video. So yeah, just going quick whiz around. And yeah, getting rid of the stuff on the draining boards and all. So as you can see, and look where my camera and my stand is. The things that we have to do. So I've had to kind of stop because it's getting too dark. I don't like it. My iPhone doesn't like it as well. It's not picking it up. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to continue tomorrow morning, which was not part of my plan. Like literally, I can do all of this in an hour because I'm cleaning and styling as I'm going along anyway, generally in my house. But now I have to do it the next day, which is really annoying. So I will be back with you tomorrow morning. I'm gonna do my bedroom. Obviously, I'm gonna tidy up my bedroom tonight, but maybe I will stage it and mess it up a little bit, and then do my like bedroom freshen up tomorrow morning, which is really annoying. And also I had an idea I was going to do in the kitchen as well for some styling. Again, I have to stop. So yeah, but what I will do now, seeing as I look a little bit decent with some makeup, I'm going to go onto my stories now and just talk about some ideas and planning that I have got. So if you can see, doing it with one hand, I've got this sample from a company called Little Green. They do paints and paper. So I've got this sample which is for the kids room, and yeah, I've got some I've got some sample paints here which I cannot wait to try in the kids. So yeah, I'm gonna go on my stories. Here you go. I like to use the Coco Flow filter. And by the way, I love Coco Flow. Like, her style is just amazing. So yeah, here we go. Hey, so it's the following day. It's in the afternoon right now. So it has been raining all day. So I'm just catching when it's not raining, which is now. So I've just done a styling video of the hallway, just this area over here. And I've just done like 3 different concepts, trying to teach people about how to style, about grouping, you know, styling with 3 and heights and variation. So a very quick reel is going to be about less than 10 seconds, I hope, just pinpointing those facts. Now, as I said from yesterday, I try and wear clothes that are collaborative with my background so that I'm not distracting, because I want the focus to be on what I'm trying to teach. So I'm wearing a black and a cream trousers right now. So now I've done this, I'm going to go upstairs and do another reel. And what's quite nice about it is, I think I've mentioned this already, but because I do like home and styling content, it's very natural. I'm doing it anyway, so it doesn't feel like I'm going out of my way to purposely create content. It's just natural. You know that, I don't know if you've seen, if you're in Instagram, there's this song, it goes, everything is content, everything is content. Meaning everything is content. Like literally you can just make food and it's content. Yeah. So I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna put my pajamas on, weirdly enough, but I'll just wear it anyway. And I'm going to tidy up my bed, and again, it's gonna be some facts on how to make your bed look luxurious. So follow me upstairs and let's go and do that. So I am now in my pajamas. I'll probably place you some ways to see my pajamas. So it's gonna be me in the bed, waking up in the morning, feeling refreshed, and yeah, I just wanna revive? Yeah, I want to revive the room, make it fresh again and nice and clean. So let me show you that. So now I have done some content, so to say, I've done some recordings, some short clips. I'm now going to show you how I do a very quick reel. I like to keep it to about 10 seconds. The less, the better on Instagram, because people don't have any patience. People just want to scroll really quickly. So you need to use like 3 seconds. That's all you have to capture them. Like if you don't do anything exciting or like something, I don't know, sometimes I just put like some wording up there saying look what you can do, like 3 quick tips, or this will literally change your room, something really bold. People will literally scroll. So the first 3 seconds has to be quite captivating. So I'm going to show you on my phone how I sometimes edit. I used to use InShot, but now I use Instagram. It's just a little bit more easier, and it's quick. So let me show you now through my phone quickly. All right, so let's say I'm doing a shot of the chair. So as you can see here, so I just add that bit there. I like that one. I can always like shorten the clips and stuff afterwards. It's not a problem. So do that there, and then add another clip there, and then maybe this one. And if I want to just speed it up, I'll just go there and I'll speed up a bit more quickly. And if that's a bit too, yeah, anyway, it's fine. And add it there. All right. So now I want to see all of it together. Yeah. Next, music. Music is very important. If you don't get the music right, again, people will just scroll past. It needs to go with it. So this clip is a bit fast. So I'm going to pick a song that has a bit more of a faster pace. You see what I mean? And also it's quite good to do like transitions, like sometimes people like cover their faces or move the camera like up or down and then transition it into it. So you can do that as well, because that is very eye-catching. People like that, oh, you know, camera tricks, so to say. So yeah, for the most part, that is how I do it. I also take into account the timings in which I post as well. So when I wake up in the morning, probably around 7 o'clock, probably not the best thing to do every day, but yeah, I don't always post every day, but yeah, when I wake up in the morning, do the things I need to do in the morning, then I'll just scroll through, show some love on all my favorite accounts and interact with people about, I would say for me anyway, for my schedule, 10-15 minutes before I post. And then I post and then I release it. And then I go on it myself and I click a like button and I put like love hearts and stuff like that. And yeah, I just wait for people to show me some love and I share it on my stories as well. And yeah, if it's a trending song, sometimes it takes off straight away. If it's actually saying that, I've put some songs that were not trending and they did pretty well. But trending songs are the ones that they usually encourage you to do. So yeah, just put it out there and just hope for the best, that people like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some tips. Sorry if I spoke too fast. Please send me a message or write in the description below any questions you have and I will answer them, or come over to Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.